Okay, fitness. Create a membership website wherein you give access to premium workout, tutorials, yoga services, or advanced dance tutorials. So, right now, most yoga teacher, mga fitness gurus, they are maximizing, you are maximizing Facebook Live, YouTube videos, to continuously connect with their students or customers. So one way of trying to level up your marketing is to create a website wherein you can have you can have premium accounts. I mean, wherein you can enroll people for premium courses. So something that you don't offer for free. So this is one level higher to what you guys are giving for free. So this is the premium workout tutorials. Help now, sell later. It will be very insensitive if we just keep on selling, wherein people are, unless it's food or unless it's an essential, it will be very insensitive if you keep on posting about your membership, about your, this is how much it costs. Try to help first before you sell, because if you sell, people will only remember you by, like, oh, okay, this person sells something. They will only remember you for a certain time, but when you give value to people, they will remember you for a lifetime. So try to give value first before you sell. Post recipes and other healthy food to stay fit and healthy. Yes, a lot of people are doing this. Sell sports apparel or equipment. So yeah, because of Lalamove, Grab, this is made possible. Also, early bird offers for 2021, maybe for membership fees. Maybe you can have group special discounts for groups. Can do that also. Run Facebook ads for sales offers, so similar to tourism. Build your fan base and online reputation. So if you haven't really started building your fan base for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube, this is the best time for you to do it. Again, continuously post valuable information. Try to connect with potential clients, follow potential clients, connect with them, answer inquiries. If you see a pain point, please be there for them, so that they will feel that they are valued, and then that's the best way for you to start building a rapport.